Hi guys, let's look at this question. It's a very interesting question of time and work, and I would say a very lovely question. So let's go ahead and see how do we solve this question. It says that a tank is emptied every day at a fixed time point. Okay. Immediately thereafter, either pump A or pump B or both start working until the tank is full. So I do not know at what time is the tank emptied or from where is the work starting. Okay. So on Monday, the tap A alone completed filling the tank at 8 p.m. Right. On Tuesday, tap B alone completed filling the tap at 6 p.m. Now let's assume that tap A takes X hours to fill the tank, and the tank is getting filled at 8 p.m. So please keep this 8 p.m. in mind. Okay. So X hours to complete the tank at 8 p.m., which means let's assume that suppose the whole value of X that I'm taking here is suppose 2 p.m. tap A started working every day, the tank is emptied at this time. From here, tap A started filling it and the tap A filled at 8 p.m. So I'm taking this time gap to be X. Okay, since the starting time is not known to us, I'm taking the time gap as X hours. But we know that at a fixed time, every day the tank is empty. So which means Tuesday, tap B also started here at 2 p.m. But tap B completed filling the tank at 6 p.m. Now you need to understand that if A is taking X hours to fill the tank till 8 p.m. So can I say B will take X minus 2 hours to fill the tank at 6 p.m. I repeat, the tank is emptied every day at the same time. Clear? So if I take the LCM of X and X minus 2, we know that this is X into X minus 2. And the efficiency of X A becomes X minus 2 and efficiency of B becomes. We'll just follow the method that we have discussed in the class. Okay. Now on Wednesday, A alone worked till 5 p.m. Again, 2 p.m. or approximately that fixed time the tap is emptied, and tap A worked or pump A worked till 5 p.m. That means, can I say pump A worked for X minus 3 hours, completing X minus 2 units per hour. This is tap A till 5 p.m. Now from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Now we know this value, that is exactly 2 hours. Tap B alone worked. That means in 2 hours, tap B would complete X units per hour kind of concept. So this becomes your total work. So I know that this plus this should give us our total work, which according to our calculation is X into X minus 2. So if I simplify, this becomes X square minus 5X plus 6 plus 2X is equal to X square minus 2X. So X square and X square gets cancelled. Minus 5X plus 2X is minus 3X, comes to my right, becomes a plus 3X. So right hand side is equal to X. And the left hand side is equal to 6, which means it's pretty clear that tap A is taking 6 hours to complete the tank. Clear? 6 hours to complete the tank and completes at 8 p.m. That means 2 p.m. is the time at which tap A started work. Clear? Right? So this is the first part of the question. Now, if I need to go back, let me replace the values here. So the value of X is equal to 6. So this becomes 6. X minus 2 is 4. LCM is 12. This is 3. So this is 2. And this is 3. Now, what does the question talk about? At what time was a tank filled on Thursday if both the pumps were used simultaneously all along? Which means both of them are working together, right? So 2 plus 3, that means they are completing 5 units an hour. If they have to complete 12 units, so they will be taking 12 by 5, that is 2.4 hours. Now, it's not asking you how many hours, the question is asking at what time, right? So they are starting at 2 p.m. every day. 2.4 hours. So 2 hours means 4 o'clock. And 0.4 hours. Now, do not commit this mistake. 0.4 hours in terms of minutes will be 0.4 into 60, which will be how many minutes, guys? Which will be 24 minutes. So 4:24 is the time at which the tank is completely filled. And therefore, your answer for this question becomes option B. So very lovely question, indirectly given to you about, how much time is each pump taking. So that decoding is very important. And once you get the value of X, then it's a piece of cakewalk for you to go ahead and get your answer. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Thank you.